If you have any Terra Luna Classic or the new Terra Luna, this quick video is for you. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that Webull link if you want to get up to $12,000 worth of free stocks. And now let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, the entire Terra Luna story is very tragic. A lot of people lost thousands of dollars. They lost their life savings. A lot of people are blaming the founder. A lot of people are blaming the attack that happened. But it doesn't matter who you blame. The money is gone. And right now, they're pretty much doing a bunch of stuff to bring Terra Luna back to life. But in my honest opinion, I do not see Terra Luna reaching the highs that it had before. Especially right now when all the trust is completely gone. People lost their entire life savings that they had invested into Terra Luna. And I believe that trust will never come back. But that does not mean that you cannot make money with Terra Luna Classic or the new Terra Luna. So in this quick video, I will show you guys a quick way that you can accumulate even more coins. So if you hold Terra Luna Classic or the new Terra Luna, I got some good news. You'll be able to lend it on the KuCoin exchange to earn some free coins. As you guys know, I have a very small position in both of these coins. And as of right now, all I'm doing is lending them on the KuCoin exchange and earning more free coins. So the very small positions that I do hold in both of these coins are very high risk. It is pretty much gambling. They can go to zero or they can by some miracle go up and they can skyrocket and make me a decent amount of money. But as long as I'm holding them, I am lending them on the KuCoin exchange. Also guys, if you do not have a KuCoin account, check out the link in the description box below. Sign up. If you have Luna Classic or the new Terra Luna, you can be lending it out and you can be earning some free tokens. And I believe that is a great way to build up on your positions in a ton of different coins during this bear market. As we get deeper into the bear market, I believe we are going to be presented with a lot of great opportunities to stack up on some amazing projects. Also, lending on the KuCoin exchange, you'll be able to build your positions even more. That is what I'll be doing for the entire bear market. The lending process on KuCoin is super simple. All you have to do is create an account, deposit some Terra Luna or Terra Luna Classic, press the lend button, select your term. You can do 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days, and then select how much Terra Luna or Luna Classic you want to lend. Press lend and you're ready to go and you'll be earning some free tokens. Also guys, lending on KuCoin is very low risk. I have been lending a ton of different coins, a ton of different stable coins as well for multiple years. And I have never lost a single penny lending on the KuCoin exchange. But I have been able to accumulate a bunch of free coins in a lot of different projects. And I absolutely love this lend feature on the KuCoin exchange. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. I know lending on the KuCoin exchange is not going to bring back the thousands of dollars that people lost, but it is a step in the right direction. Every single dollar counts. If you can put your money to work and you can earn a couple dollars a day, that is definitely a plus in my opinion. And if you believe in the projects long term, this is a great way to accumulate some free coins. And who knows, if the market rebounds and Terra goes to the moon again, you'll be sitting on some extra coins that could potentially make you some money. And as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description box below and see you in the next video. Peace out.